Friday afternoon at Mega City Auto Recycling, and we came by this 1988 Volvo Turbocharger.
This is Turbocharged. I tried to take it out, but it's pretty hard.
But
see the way the engine is, you would be surprised.
Thing would still start. It runs!
Here's the supercharger. Rev it a little. Other way. Yeah. Other way, other way. Still runs mint. I feel sorry for taking out the turbo. Here, hold it.
Only Insider Club members have the chance to win this Energy Star rated Lennox cooling system, a $4,500.
Turn it off, you're gonna kill the battery.